Running a business comes with endless tasks, emails, reports, marketing content. It never stops, right? Yeah. ChatGPT can actually help you handle business tasks faster and more efficiently. In this guide, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT for business in 2026. Start with emails. ChatGPT can draft professional emails, follow ups, or responses in seconds. Just provide context, recipient, purpose, and tone, and it will produce a polished draft. Need reports or summaries? ChatGPT can quickly summarize meetings, sales data, or articles. You can also ask it to create structured reports ready for presentation. ChatGPT can help with blogs, social media posts, ads, or newsletters. Ask for multiple versions at once so you have options to pick from. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm business ideas, campaigns, product names, strategies, or growth hacks. It's like having a virtual think tank available anytime. ChatGPT can help interpret data, generate charts, or explain trends. Pair it with spreadsheets or analytics tools for faster insights. Need SOPs or guidelines? ChatGPT can draft step by step instructions for internal processes, onboarding, or client workflows. This saves time and keeps your team aligned. Keep a library of business prompts for emails, reports, content, and brainstorming. Reusing prompts turns ChatGPT into a powerful business assistant. And that's it. Automate emails, generate reports, create content, brainstorm, analyze data, and draft SOPs. With ChatGPT, you can handle business tasks faster, smarter, and more efficiently every day.